All right, y'all, back for another one. So the BMW's finally here. My boy Felix is dropping it off, man. Got a 330i. We're gonna be wrapping this in a pearlescent purple. A lot of flakes and stuff that's gonna be going on it, but yeah, this is the next one up. Still gotta finish the fade wrap on this charger and get this one out the shop, and then we'll be hopping straight into this one. So stay tuned and we're gonna get right into it. All right, so we did a bit of disassembly on this already. We're gonna go ahead and sand out the front bumper. We gotta sand out the rest of this rear bumper to get this smooth to be able to be wrapped. Other things we gotta do are touch up these dents. I'm gonna have to cut it to the metal, lay some body filler in there before we even get it wrapped. But that's what we're gonna be doing next, so let's get into it. All right, guys, so we finally finished up the BMW. Came out pretty nice. Been almost, I'd say about 2 years since I wrapped a car purple. So this was definitely a fun car to knock out. Definitely a classic. I love to see cars like this. I'm a BMW guy, so y'all see my BMW M3 out there. So love BMWs, love to wrap them, love the challenge. This car came out great. Like content like this, then go ahead, give me a like, comment, and subscribe so that the algorithm can push more videos out like this to the viewers. And I'll see you guys next time.